Now the second type of functional group or class of compound which is very important, it is your aldehyde. It is your aldehyde. Now aldehyde is RCHO. The functional group is your CHO. Here it is very interesting. If we write simply HCHO, then it is also your aldehyde. I hope you know it is a simplest aldehyde, and this aldehyde is called your formaldehyde. आप जानते हो कि इस aldehyde को हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? Formaldehyde कहेंगे. This aldehyde is your formaldehyde. Now, in IUPAC, aldehyde is named as your alkanal. So the suffix is your -al. Dear student, there is a very thin line between alcohol and aldehyde. Your alcohol is named as alkanol, while your aldehyde is named as your alkanal. आप ध्यान देंगे, because the root word is alkane, use suffix -al and the alkane का जो e है वो ड्रॉप हो गया, then it will be your alkanal. For example, if we write HCHO, which is your formaldehyde, so what will be the IUPAC name? As the number of carbon is 1, so the IUPAC name is your methanol. The IUPAC name is your methanol, and the common name is your formaldehyde. Similarly, if the next higher homologue, say there are two carbon, this is one carbon, this is second carbon. Now the IUPAC name is your ethanol. भाई ये दो कार्बन का एल्डिहाइड हो गया, तो इसका नाम हो जाएगा इथानल. तीसरा मान लीजिए आप लिखते हो, that is CH3CH2CHO. Then what is the IUPAC name? It is your propanol. Now the question is, what is prefix? प्रीफिक्स की कब जरूरत पड़ेगी? व्हेन एल्डिहाइड से भी कोई सीरियल ग्रुप अटैच हो, देन वी नीड प्रीफिक्स. द प्रीफिक्स इज योर फॉर्माइल. द प्रीफिक्स इज योर फॉर्माइल. सो द प्रीफिक्स फॉर एल्डिहाइड, इट इज योर फॉर्माइल और इट मे बी योर ऑक्सो. तो आप फॉर्माइल यूज करिए या ऑक्सो. नेक्स्ट इज ketone. The next compound is your ketone. Next is your ketone. Ketone is your RCOR. Means it is functional group is your CO. But both side we have alkyl group, then only ketone. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर दोनों साइड आप हाइड्रोजन लगा दो, if you place both side hydrogen, then it is your formaldehyde. अगर एक साइड आप alkyl लगा दो, दूसरे साइड हाइड्रोजन, then it is aldehyde. So for ketone, it is mandatory that both side of this CO group there must be alkyl. Now IUPAC name of ketone is your alkanone, because the suffix is your ONE. तो क्या करेंगे इसमें? We write root word alkane and we add ONE. Now the E of alkane should be dropped. Now the simplest ketone, if somebody asks you, write the IUPAC name of simplest ketone. भाई जो सबसे सिंपल कीटोन है उसका आप IUPAC नाम लिखो. The simplest ketone is your lowest alkyne CH3 CO CH3. Now let us count the carbon. 1 2 3. So 3 carbon means it is your propanone. So the compound is your propanone. Similarly, if we have 4 carbon like this, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3, then it will be your butanone. Then this ketone will be butanone. If 5 carbon, it will be pentanone, hexanone or like this. Now the question is, what is the prefix for ketone? It will be your keto, or you may use oxo. The prefix for ketone is your both. You may use your keto or oxo. So whether you write keto or you write oxo. Now next is your carboxylic acid. Next is your carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is your RCOOH. This is your carboxylic acid. This is your carboxylic acid. इसको हम लोग बोलचाल में सिंपली एसिड भी कहते हैं. Now the functional group is your COOH. This is your carboxylic group. The IUPAC name is your alkanoic acid. It is your alkanoic acid because suffix is your oic acid. तो इसमें करते क्या है हम लोग, रूट वर्ड हमारा हो गया अल्केन एंड वी यूज सफिक्स ओइक एसिड. तो ये जो अल्केन का लास्ट ही है वो ड्रॉप हो गया. सो इट इज अल्केन प्लस ओइक एसिड, अल्केनोइक एसिड. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी राइट CH3COOH. नाउ काउंट द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन. इसके नंबर ऑफ कार्बन को गिनिए. The number of carbon is 2. So this compound is your ethanoic acid. This is your ethanoic acid. For example, if we have hydrogen, अगर मान लीजिए यहाँ पे आपका हाइड्रोजन हो गया, this acid common name is your formic acid. This is your common name. But what is the IUPAC name? 1 carbon. The IUPAC name is your methanoic acid. Similarly, if we write this acid CH3CH2COH, how many carbon? 1, 2, 3. So IUPAC name is your propanoic acid. Now what is the prefix for carboxylic group? The prefix is your carboxy. The prefix is your carboxy. Now the next functional group is your amine. Next is your amine, AMINE. That is your RNH2. This is your amino-functional group. Amino-functional group. Now in IUPAC we write as alkanamine because the suffix we used in nomenclature of amine is your amine. आप जो suffix यूज करते हो वो यूज करते हो amine. So the root word is your alkane. Alkane plus amine. Again we should drop the E of alkane. So the IUPAC name is your alkanamine. For example, the lowest amine CH3NH2. Its common name is your methylamine. But the IUPAC name, as there is only 1 carbon, it is named as your methanamine. क्योंकि एक ही कार्बन इसमें है इसलिए इसका IUPAC नाम क्या हो जाएगा? methanamine. Suppose if we have 2 carbon CH3CH2NH2 and somebody asks you what is the IUPAC name of this amine, तो देखिए there are 2 carbon, so its name is your ethanamine. Now what is the prefix? The prefix used is your amino. The prefix is your amino. Similarly, The next functional group is your amide. AMIDE. Now there is slight difference. It is your amine, it is your amide. Amide is your RCONH2. So the functional group is your CONH2. This is your amide functional group. Now what is the IUPAC name of your amide? Amine is named as alkanamide. केवल N के बदले आप D कर दो. So its IUPAC name is your alkanamide. MIDE means we write the root word alkane and we add suffix AMIDE. So here the suffix is your AMIDE, that is your amide. So it is your alkanamide. Alkanamide. For example, if we write HCONH2, see this is only one carbon. Then what is the IUPAC name? It is your methanamide. Similarly, if we write two carbon CH3CONH2, देखिए यहाँ पे दो कार्बन हो गए, एक दो, तो the name is ethanamide. The name is your ethanamide. Now, what is the prefix used? The prefix is your carbamoyl. CARBAMOYL. तो भाई methanamide, next is ethanamide, next will be propanamide, butanamide, इसी तरह से आप करो. The next compound is your cyanide or nitrile. The next compound is your cyanide or nitrile. Cyanide or nitrile. The formula is your simply RC triple bond N. So the functional group is carbon triple bond N. That is cyanide. The IUPAC name, in IUPAC it is named as alkane nitrile. अब कहेगा सर यहाँ अल्केन का तो N E रह रहा है लास्ट की, because the suffix is your NITRILE, nitrile. तो अब आप देखिए रूट वर्ड इज अल्केन, इट इज अल्केन प्लस नाइट्राइल. नाउ देयर इज नो कंजुगेटिव वॉवेल, N is your consonant, so we should retain E of alkane. For example, if we write CH3Cl, how many carbon? देखिए गिनती करिए, एक दो, तो we can write दो कार्बन हो गया, तो इसका IUPAC नाम हो गया ethane nitrile. The name is your ethane nitrile. Suppose we have one more carbon CH3CH2Cn, तो देखिए तीन कार्बन हो गए, 1 2 3. The IUPAC name is your propane nitrile. Nitrile, TRILE. Now what is the prefix? The prefix is your cyano. The prefix is your cyano. Now the next class of compound is your acid halide or called acyl halide. It is your acyl halide or acid halide. That is your RCOX. X is halogen. X is your halogen. It may be usually chlorine or bromine. The functional group, it is your COX, where X is halogen. The IUPAC name is your alkanoyl halide. It is your alkanoyl halide because the suffix is OYL, YL halide. So the root word is your alkane plus we write oil halide. अब alkane का ही drop कर दीजिए. For example, we have compound like CH3COCl. Number of carbon is 2. So 2 carbons. So it is your ethane plus oil. Halogen is chlorine. So it is oil chloride. Now ethane का ही drop करिए. It is your ethane oil chloride. Next will be propane oil chloride. Now what is prefix? Prefix is your halocarbonyl. It is your halocarbonyl because this CO group is called your carbonyl. इस CO को बोलेंगे carbonyl and for halogen we have halo. So we write halocarbonyl. So I hope you must have understand what is the functional group, what are the different type of functional group, what we have to use suitable suffix and prefix in their IUPAC system of nomenclature. Thank you.